And I welcome you all in TTP. In this quick video, I am going to share few quick cheat sheet with you. Those are related to Linux and Kubernetes. So, in the first cheat sheet, you can see there are 50 commands which are for absolute beginner. If you are just want to learn Linux, how it works, which commands are helpful for your interview, or we can say while working in day-to-day activity, then these commands are very much helpful. So in this cheat sheet, I have mentioned 50 commands with their explanation. You just need to go through and do practice on that one. Next cheat sheet we are having that is the second part of this, and what I have done, I have just categorized those advanced commands, we can say, into a particular category they belongs to. Like if you are looking for network information, you can use these commands. If you are looking for job management, you can use this command. If you are looking for system control, you can use this command. So these are the some advanced level commands, we can say, that will be very helpful for you. Next cheat sheet is about Linux network and security related commands. So these will be helpful if you are want to learn more about security, or you can say more about networking related commands. This cheat sheet will help you. So you can see in the left hand side, most of the commands are belongs to network domain, and right hand side we are having command related to security. You can go through these commands and you will understand which command will help in which activity. Now we will talk about Kubernetes cheat sheet. Okay. In this Kubernetes cheat sheet, there are two types of cheat sheet for Kubernetes. One is conceptual based. That means you will have the 100 concepts all together in two sheet. And next set where we are having the most important command that will help you to while you are working on Kubernetes. Okay. So in this cheat sheet you can see those if you are absolute beginner and you don't have any knowledge about Kubernetes, then this will help you. Or if you are preparing for any interview, if you want to brush up your concept altogether, this cheat sheet will help you. So you can see we are starting from cluster, node, pod. When you will see the complexity of the concept will increase, that will help you to learn end to end Kubernetes. Similarly, in the second part you can see you these are little bit advanced concept, we can say, in Kubernetes. Those will be very helpful. You need to understand those when while working on Kubernetes, or you are giving any interview for really. Now next set of cheat sheet is belongs to queue control commands, which are very helpful while working with Kubernetes. So what I did, I have mentioned the full syntax of that command and what that particular command will do. Wherever you see this namespace under in braces, that means you need to define your namespace, actual namespace which you are going to use. Similarly, for this one pod name, you need to provide your correct pod name for which you are looking for description or detailed information. So these are the few things which you need to keep in mind. So this is the first part. Next part, we are having some little bit more complex commands which we can see. You can see there are many arguments there, but in right hand side you will understand what are these. So you can follow my Twitter account as well. So you will get these cheat sheet documents as well. I have shared the link in the description box, so you can follow that one. So you will have access to all these cheat sheets. Next is the part 3 of the remaining commands that will. So these are not enough. There are many more commands as well. So I'll document those and will share with you. Till then, keep learning, keep signing, and keep transforming. See you in next video.